I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. Open Final Cut Pro and load the project timeline. You'll zoom out. First, confirm you're in the primary timeline and note whether magnetic timeline is on because it affects clip behavior when zooming. Next, locate the zoom slider at the bottom right of the timeline, the minus and plus zoom buttons, and remember the keyboard shortcuts. Command and the minus key to zoom out, Command plus the plus key to zoom in. Once done, you can change view immediately and see clip density. Now choose how you want to zoom out. Press Command and the minus key repeatedly for controlled, stepwise reduction in timeline scale. It's fast and precise. Alternatively, drag the zoom slider left for a continuous zoom out. Hold Shift while dragging to move in larger increments if you need a wider overview faster. For an instant full view, press Shift-Z to fit the entire project into the window. This helps when aligning long sequences. Make sure to watch clip thumbnails and waveforms as they compress to avoid losing edit points. Finish by scrubbing and playing the timeline to confirm edits, transitions, and audio sync still read well at the new scale. If you need to work closely afterward, quickly zoom back in with Command plus or drag the slider right. You can also use Shift-Z to toggle fit and back again. If the interface stutters while zooming, make sure background renders aren't hogging resources. Pause background tasks, toggle background rendering off, or restart Final Cut Pro. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes most zoom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.